Hey guys, what's going on? It's Karl here, back with another episode. It's a special one today. Maybe for some of you Canadians out there, happy Canada Day was just last weekend, and I guess matching with the entire red theme, we have the very brand new OnePlus 6 in, of course, red, a limited edition and brand new colorway, and this will add to the three that are currently available: mirror black, midnight black, and silk white. We gotta unbox this thing. So nothing crazy has changed in this model. Of course, it is still the same 128 gigs. We've got the same internals as the rest of the OnePlus models. Of course, the thing you are here to see is the sexy new colorway, which I'm super excited about. Dun, 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 dun. We've got this guy unboxed, and before we get to the actual, of course, unboxing, we actually have an update for the winner of the blind camera test that involved a couple different smartphones, the OnePlus, the Pixel 2, the iPhone, as well as the Samsung. The winner is being flashed across the screen right now. You've got 24 hours to contact me either here on YouTube or on Instagram. The same post is going up. If you don't, the mirror black version is going to someone else, so you don't want to miss out. So I'm hoping that person has watched this video. Congrats to that person. And if you guys want to see perhaps this as a potential giveaway, the limited edition red model, let me know down below in the comment and I can make something happen in either one of my next episodes or of course somewhere over on social. Okay, here we go. So here we go with the official unboxing and your very first look. Cue mall music. It never happens to go well on camera. We have, of course, the OnePlus 6 right here. Let's get this guy out. Ooh. This year, they actually went glossy, and I am a huge fan of this. I'm trying to capture, of course, how good this looks on camera here. Oh my goodness. This almost has the same finish as the mirror black. I'm sure this will collect a few extra fingerprints. It looks sexy, it looks gorgeous. You use the adjectives to describe your phone. It's very, very nice to look at, and I'm sure we can catch a bunch of light with this guy. Let me actually grab my mirror black OnePlus. I just want to compare them. Yes. They have a very, very similar finish, and a lot of you actually preferred the mirror black over the midnight black. I can definitely see why, and in case you want to add a little splash of color to your life, this is where you gotta go. I know the OnePlus 6 limited edition red model does launch later this week, I believe. Info will of course be listed down below. Let me know which device you prefer, whether it's this one, mirror, midnight, or even silk white. We now have 4 models of the OnePlus 6 to select. And if you look around the sides of the devices, that's actually a bit more of an anodized aluminum look, so it's definitely two-tone, and the fingerprint sensor is definitely a different kind of shade also, so it will definitely have a lot of contrast, a lot of differences, and this might be actually my favorite OnePlus colorway to date. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and remember, if you want to see this guy as that giveaway, maybe it's a happy Canada Day, happy 151st birthday to my home country, you know where to sound off down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this very, very quick episode. I will catch the rest of you in one of my next ones or in one of my vlogs. Peace.